It might not appear that way, but we get a fair amount of use from our Gauge 1 layout. And well, as you can see in the video, we are still battling with conductivity issues, and I realized that now the problem is with the station area, because the rest of the main line I have jumpered over the fish plate with some jumper wires, just to make sure that the electricity can get across. I mean, I can still notice a voltage drop at the far end of the layout, so I will need to run another feeder line there. So I only have 2 feeder lines at the end of the station, and then that just basically loops through, and well, obviously there are some losses. So I have to do something about that. But on the station, I didn't have these jumpers, so it was just, fish plates. And well, 5 years has passed, and I think those fish plates are just probably rusted or corroded. Well, I should say corroded enough so they don't work very, very well. And of course, sometimes the fish plate just come off, or really at the end, as the rail contracts and expands, and that sort of moves around. So I did that now after this video. By the way, this is not the best video. It was only done with my mobile phone, but yeah, it was just a quick playing around with the trains. There are some other much needed attention to the layout, especially the platform that I've built. In a couple of years that needs to be replaced completely, because it's made from XPS styrofoam, and as you can see, the paint is chipping off, and no matter how much I repaint, I guess it doesn't work with the thermal expansion that is in this XPS, even though it's coated with I think it's a grit something, so there is a coating on it. But the other problem is that ants just love it, and then basically they build nests, and then every year I just find these chewed up pieces of XPS all around the layout, and I use pesticides, but they will eventually come back. They just love this piece, and I think it's probably a nice location for them. Not too much rain, fairly dry. So yeah, and of course some of the ballast gets washed away. That needs to be replenished and re-glued. And well, it's an outdoor layout, so there is always something that needs to be done. And there are some pests on the plum tree again, so most of these gluey gunk is getting deposited on the rail. So cleaning the rail is, well, first of all, in some areas I need to get rid of this gunk, and other places I just need to clean the rail head, so and just remove that fine oxidation layer. And actually, instead of using fine sandpaper, I have now invested into the Peco, and I think I also bought a Rocco rail, I think it's called rail rubber, so hopefully that's going to help. Well, that's it for now. Enjoy the rest of the footage. Hát szerintem azért csak befér.